What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Man, I'm so pumped. I'm bringing you some bacon, jalapeno, mac and cheese, tailgating style. I'm in this awesome kitchen, but we're headed out to the grill to smoke it. So we're gonna add a little flavor, add a little texture, add a whole different ball game to your mac and cheese. So let's jump right into the party, all right? Tailgate City. We have some mac already done. I cooked the noodles off, tossed it in just some normal cheese sauce. Didn't do anything crazy with this. This is ready to rock and roll. Here, though, is the stars of the show. This is candied bacon. All it is, 10 slices of bacon. I put a quarter cup of sugar on there, quarter cup of spice rub on it, like a pulled pork rub, and I just candy it. So it literally, it's good like candy, you know? Boom. So, candied bacon. Let's start about it. Sweet. It's good. We're gonna dice this guy up. Nice. And the candied bacon gives it a great texture. And once we get it to the smoker, it's going to be awesome. Put that right in. Don't stop there, okay, crew? Put this guy out. Let me wipe this board. We're going to put jalapenos in. Depending on how hot you like it, how spicy you want it, I'm going with 2. So there's a few different ways. If you want to do nice thin slices like this, you can get the nice wheels. It'll get the flavor, and this is good for tailgating. If your friends don't like the jalapeno, they can see it. Whereas if it's diced up, they're gonna get a hot one. So I kinda like to do it like this. And then if you wanna be really cautious, gang, this is the hottest part. Not the outside, this right here, the inside. So if you wanna take the inside of this out, that will reduce some of the heat if you wanna just do the rings. A lot of times, people do it like this. They'll take this, take the back of a spoon, and just wedge it around there and just go like this. Take you a few seconds, but you can pop out all of it, okay? And then you could just go with nice little wheels like this. This is the hot version. This is the mild version. It's still jalapeno, but we have a lot of cheese, we have a lot of bacon, we have a lot of aspects, you know, to dial down the smoke. So let's put one of each in, have some fun with it. Right in like that. So in true jalapeno popper fashion, guys, we're gonna add 1/4 cup cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar, okay? This is a cheesy, good dish. That goes in. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, just a 1/4 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And being that we are smoking this, we're taking it to the grill, we're adding the flavor, we're gonna put some smoky rub on it, okay? 2 tablespoons of that, and then 2 tablespoons of a little garlic smoke rub. Just to, you know, make the flavors play along together. Mix this guy up, get deep, make a mess, have some fun with it. This is tailgate time, you know, talking about all the sports happening, all the fun. Look at that. This is ready, man. We're gonna take it right to an aluminum foil because I'm not doing dishes tonight. Be real honest with you. Put that in here. Boom. And now we'll spread it nice and even because it's gonna go on the grill and we want to cook it even, get even heat on this guy, all right? Put that off to the side. Next, 1/4 cup of panko, 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar again. We'll spread this guy right over top. It'll give us a nice little crumb. It'll give us a good little texture. Something to, like, you know, bite into. Super easy, rocking and rolling. We're taking it to the grill. We're getting our smoke on. Let's rock and roll. Woohoo! All right, gang, got this mac and cheese ready to get it on the smoker. Look at this. Got the chips right here. We're gonna roll this up in foil. Just give it a little rip on the side to give it a little ventilation. We got our regular grill, so let's open this guy up. I'll show you what I did right there. I just put the big chunk right in between it. So now we turn this into a smoker. Your regular grill. Yeah, guys, your regular grill that you bought at Don's, now we're putting it into a smoker. This guy's lit up right here. We're gonna use the side that's nice and cool. Put our pan of mac right on here, gang. This is gonna be around 350, 355. Keep it in that wheelhouse. This is gonna be an hour. We're gonna get some crispy, smoked, amazing mac and cheese. Enough talking, lid down. Can't wait to eat this. Boom. All right, gang. Painstakingly, the 45 minutes, hour has passed. And now we can open up and check out the smoked mac and cheese. Bubbly, look at that, bubbly and good. Look at the edges on there, nice smoky mac. Look at that. That's a game changer right there. Look at the jalapenos, roasted, really good. Look at that, right on the bottom. See how nice it is, not on direct heat, like nothing burns. Beautiful mac, beautiful. Look at the smoke still coming out. Guys, you could do it a little bit longer. An hour's my limit, man. I've been smelling this. I smell smoke. I smell good bacon. Here's how we plate this guy up. Look at that. Serve it with your favorite tailgate side. Look at that. I'm eating a full plate full. That's beautiful right there, gang. That's smoked mac and cheese. Not on a smoker, but on a grill, okay? I got the big spoon. I gotta get in. I gotta dig in, all right? Oh. Guys, little bit of spice. The bacon gives it that sweet. The extra cream cheese and everything cools everything out, man. This is a winner. Huge. Try this tailgate recipe, gang. All right, guys, another tailgate, another tailgate mac and cheese. Enjoy this. Let me know what you guys are tailgating up today, all right? And I'm just going to keep eating mac and cheese.